Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can listen to your Google Docs. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.docs.google.com. So once you type this in, you will end up in the official website of Google Docs. So from here, you can select a project of your preference, and then after you select the project, all you need to do is select on tools and go on the accessibility. So here you need to first turn on the screen reader support and press on the OK button. And once this is done, you need to go to a new tab and search in Google Chrome Web Store. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, you will need to find an extension which will support the screen reading. So once you end up in this kind of page, on the extension section, search the screen reader option. So once you type in screen reader, you can find the Chrome Vox app. So simply tap it on and download the Chrome Vox app. So just press on the add to Chrome option and press on add extension, which will allow it to get added on your Chrome. So after the download process gets over, you need to simply go back to your Google Docs for it to read out the text you want it to be read. So after this is done, just select the paragraph or the word which you want to get read it out. However, prior to that, you need to go on accessibility and turn on the verbalization. So following the steps, now the words that you have selected will get read out by the Google Vox extension. So this is how you can listen to Google Docs. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.